Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make the old filter video for TikTok using CapCut. So in here you need two apps: the Face app to change your photo, your young photo, into an old one, and then CapCut to edit the video. So here you can just go to the Face app first and select your photos. Now click on Age, then select the cool old. So after that you can just click on Save, and after you save the photo just go to CapCut, and here go to the template tab, and after that just click on a search column and type in old face filter. Okay, then you can just select the template that you want to use. For example, this one's right here, or this one's right here. I'm going to just use this one. Just click on the use template, then first just select your old photo and then select the original photos. Okay, just click on preview, and now here is the final result for your old face filter. Okay everyone, so I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also comment. Bye.